Dear students, today we will discuss the ethical issues and computer science impact on ethics. So what is ethical? It is relating to moral principles or to branch of knowledge dealing with these. So what are major issues that are studied in ethical issues of computer science? One is the privacy, the next one is the digital ownership, and the next one is data gathering. So let's discuss one by one. What is privacy? Capacity to store, organize, and exchange records. So for example, you have personal data, you have putting those data in your emails, in your passwords, and those data are passing through different routes. For example, through ISP and different mailing servers. So whether those servers and those places are saving your emails, your passwords, your data or not. So we don't know. And do people know how their accounts are monitored? So for example, they are using account, for example, of bank. So how they are monitored, what kind of transactions they are saving or not saving, so the user should know. And to what extent is such monitoring occurring at what place? So there should be a privacy statement by all of the web servers which are being used by the humans. Then digital ownership. So digital information is flowing more freely. You know that the digital information in different capacities, in different application scenarios are moving. And how can ownership be established? So for example, if I have written one paragraph or one page of document, and that document or that paragraph is going into different dimensions, into social media, into other media. So whether each and everyone is going to cite that content that it belongs to me or not. So in scientific writing, in academic writing, it is cited. However, in other things, it is normally not cited. So how can ownership be established? We need to learn. And then legal notions such as copyright have struggled to keep up with the digital era. And then the third one in ethical issues is the data gathering. So the United States has passed legislation allowing the government to actively monitor private citizens in the name of national security. So this means they are saying that we are the national security agencies and we have the complete privileges to access your data. So what information can be gathered and why? So this should be known to the users. And do people know what information is being monitored? Do they have the right to know how their data is being used? Whether their data is being sold out for marketing purposes or shared with some other person or not. So let's summarize today's module. We have learned about ethical issues of computer science and we have discussed privacy, digital ownership and data gathering.